In this video, we will learn about spark lines. Spark lines are mini charts that reside in a cell in Excel. As you can see here, I have few spark lines drawn. You can see in this single cell O5, I have this small line chart which is representing the trend of these values. So spark lines are usually used to show a trend over time or the variation in the dataset. However, since spark lines are really tiny, they have limited functionality. Despite that, spark lines are great as you can create these easily to show a trend and make your reports and dashboard look more reader friendly. There are three types of spark lines. I'll show you where to find these spark lines. Go to Insert, and in this section you can see there are three types of spark lines: line, column and win-loss. So line will plot a line chart in a single cell, column will be a column chart, and win-loss will be a plus and minus type of chart. So let's learn how to create a spark line. I'll delete this. Go to Insert, Line. So this will be a line type of spark line. The data range is from C5 cell to N5, and the cell in which I want it is O5 only. If you want to change it, you can change it here. Click on OK, and here's your spark line. So as I told you, it's a small version of the line chart. Let's draw a line chart once to compare whether this spark line is same as the line chart. So this is a line chart. You can see that the trend that we will see in the line chart is also represented by this small spark line. So whenever you are sharing a large amount of data with some other people in your workplace, and in your worksheets you cannot draw big charts, a small spark line can serve the purpose of highlighting that there is some trend in the data that you are offering them. One thing you should note here is that since a spark line is residing within a cell, so if you change the size of the cell, the size of spark line will also change. So if I increase the height and width of spark line will also change. So also, if I merge the cells around it, the spark line will be drawn in all those merged cells. So this was the line type of spark line. Second one is the column type. It is similar to the line spark line. So let us create a column type of spark line. I'll clear this. To clear a spark line, you have to go to Design option, and within there is a clear button. So clear all. So right now only one cell is selected, O6. I'll go to column type of spark line. Select the data, select location, OK. So you can see here's the column type of spark line where height of the bar is representing the value of each data point. If you want this to expand it to multiple cells, you can merge those cells, or you can resize the cell to have a bigger spark line. This last type of spark line is a win-loss or positive negative type of spark line. So whenever the value is positive, it will be shown as a blue box above an imaginary axis, and whenever it is negative, it will be shown as a red box below that imaginary axis. So to create this, let us clear it first. Win-loss, the data range. Okay. So you can see here's our win-loss type of spark line. The only difference between a column type of spark line and a win-loss type of spark line is the height of column in a column spark line is giving us the relative value of that particular data point, whereas in this pin loss type of spark line, the height of column is irrelevant. If it is above the axis, it is positive. If it is below the axis, it is negative. So it is plus minus or bin loss type of graph. So this is how we create spark lines or mini charts. You can also format these spark lines. You can change its color. You can change its marker color. So all those options are also available. We are not going to discuss it in this lecture.